Hi there and welcome back to another session with the Dental Advisor. Today we're going to talk about something really exciting. Veneers, composite direct veneers, something that you can do quite easily. The first thing you need is a round burr. The round burr is used to remove enamel all along the perimeter of the labial surface of this tooth. Rapid strokes with a gentle touch is what is required here, so that you don't remove too much of enamel. All you need to take off is maybe about 0.5 millimeters, and you can achieve that quite easily but by allowing the burr to do its work. The round burr also gives your finish line a softer edge as compared to the other burrs that you would normally use for a veneer preparation. As you can see, in no time at all, nearly half the preparation for the direct composite veneer is done. Call this, if you will, the outline form of the veneer which you have just made with one round burr. Switch the burr to a tapering fissure diamond, round end, as you can see in this photograph. Remove the labial portion of the tooth and blend it with what you have done earlier. Make sure that the transition line angles are smooth, mesiodistally as well as incisor-cervically. Notice that the movements are not hurried, they are fast, but they are soft. They are very gentle movements and allowing the burr to work slowly so that you don't end up notching the tooth structure. The Ultradent U veneer system allows you to choose veneer templates that you will use to give the form of the tooth that you want to replace. And this is when you choose which template to use. But before that, it is wise to cover the adjacent teeth with Teflon tape. Teflon tape is otherwise known as Plumbers tape. Cut a strip of it and use a plastic instrument to wrap it around the teeth which are not to be bonded. Acid etch the tooth surface for about 30 seconds. Apply bonding agent. Shift the Teflon tape slightly after curing the bonding agent, and then take the required amount of composite that you need. Start applying it on the tooth surface, just like you would do for a regular direct composite veneer freehand. And then here's where the magic of the template comes in. Take the template that you have chosen and press it hard against the excess composite and see the excess composite flowing on either side of the template. Using any clean bladed instrument, you can then remove the flash of composite that extrudes on either side of the template. Light cure, just as you would a regular direct composite resin restoration. As you can see, the template comes off rather easily after curing is done. The next step is to do a bit of finishing, and this can be achieved with discs, with strips, and finer discs. But just remember, when you are finishing, it's much better done dry with a steady stream of air from the three-way syringe. It's only when it comes to polishing that you start using water, and a lot of heavy pressure is required when trying to polish with rubber bonded abrasive points or discs or whatever shape that you have in your clinic. A minimum amount of polishing is actually required because the veneer template actually gives you a very shiny surface already. And there you have it, another little bite from the Dental Advisor, and this time it's on using U veneers by Ultradent to make your composite work a lot easier.